to the Canary Wharf Elizabeth line station. We're going to be going in for a short tour from TJ. And yeah, we're going to go in about 5 minutes time, so I'll see you when we're going in. Now here's the moment, going down the escalator. Yellow escalator, never seen before. We go down. Jesus, a long escalator. Over Beaten Angel maybe by any chance? Maybe? I don't know, we'll see when we're down there. Down here. And it's the ticket office. Look how big that is. You can tell a lot of people are going to be here. Here's the ticket office. Big one. Sadly no trains today. Quite a bit of delays on quite a bit of lines, I'll tell you that. And now, ticket barriers.
Morning.
I'll tap in with my hands. There you go. I tapped in with my hands. Now, another escalator right here. That looks like it's going slow. So I hope we're not here for the next 10 years. That looks like a slow escalator, look at that. Slow. Oh wait. I'll go down that one. See car?
Yeah, exactly.
So where's the escalator? TJ has a couple facts to tell you.
So this station, Canary Wharf Elizabeth line, is actually underwater. The whole station box is surrounded by water. So when you enter, you see the waterways that's either side. Also, you see the yellow on and around the station is to reflect the history of Canary Wharf.
We have a new human with us. Tyrese.
Also known as Tyrozone.
Hello. Alright, me, Tyrese and TJ going down. Hello. Going down to the station now. Here's the trains. Not the actual trains, but sadly they're not in service. Ooh, this looks kind of different. This looks kind of different to the other stations, to be honest. Kind of not. I don't really know how to explain it, but kind of looks different than Paddington, I'll tell you that. It looks a lot different. It does look very different. Yeah. Confirmed. It's going to Terminal 5. It's confirmed. Oh my god.
We need to stick together. Like glue. Not stupid. Yeah. So who wants old main director.
Alright, so we're heading now back up, and fun fact, why is it yellow? Because of the Canaries, there was lots of bananas being shipped from there, so yellow as in bananas. Just realised, Canary Wharf! It says on the escalator.
And why is the font different?
Poggers! We're spying on you. Oh god, they noticed. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!